Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. So I want to go over one of the diecast, the Tomica cars that I got from Japan. This is a Honda Airwave. It's kind of like a wagon, smaller wagon on that size, if you ever seen one in real life. But they're really cool. And so to get a Tomica version was amazing. These cars kind of like are not mainstream, so it's definitely cool to have. This one, like most Tomica, hold on a second, the trunk opens up for some of the SUVs and wagons, while cars and sedans usually the door, sometimes the hood. But again, it's just really cool to have something different for my Honda collection. So yeah, this is the Honda Airwave. Um, Axles are kind of wonky. This one right here, I try to straighten out with my axle straightening tool, but I mean, this is something that I probably have to um, try to rebuild